This is our 2017 67 plate Audi RS5. What a superb choice for the pure driver's car, but with the added benefit of four-wheel drive in quattro form. It is fantastic, and in this colour combination it looks superb. It's the Nardo Grey with the black styling pack, the best wheels to have for this particular car, which are the 5-spoke turbines, and they are finished in gloss black as well, and the red RS brake calipers to finish it. Looks fantastic. Carbon effect, wing mirrors, carbon effect, side grills. Then you've got the gloss black side strake to the bottom, and then the same again on the rear. You've got the gloss black wheels and the red calipers. All the tyres have got good tread on them, 5-6 mil. To the rear we've got the gloss black styling packs. You've got the gloss black lip spoiler, Audi emblems and RS5 badge, and you've got the gloss black rear diffuser, and then the satin black large oval exhaust tailpipes at the rear as well. And then you've got this these vents here, which just give it that added bit of aggression to the rear of the car. This is two former owners prior to the current, full service history as well. We've got all the keys, book pack, etc. Everything that should be there is there. This one has got over £10,000 of options, a really nicely spec'd example. So it's not just the colour, it's also the specification that it's got. For example, it's got the £1,200 LED matrix headlights. Like I said, the gloss styling pack, it's got the heated steering wheel, the memory seats, the ambient lighting. I've listed everything in the ad, but it's a comprehensive specification, coming up to a total of over £10,000 there. What a stunning machine. In superb condition, very nicely maintained over the last 3 years of its life. What a fantastic machine. Right, let's have a look round the inside. So I'll start with the boot area. If it's not locked itself. Yep. So there's your boot area. You've got the spring-loaded tailgate, so that just pops up. First aid kit's in place. Underneath here, you've got the space saver spare. Pop that closed. Moving on to the passenger side. So you can see these mirrors are the auto dimming, folding, heated, etc, etc. Great option to have, very useful. You can see there the ambient lighting option kicking in on the doors and on the center console. You've got the Bang & Olufsen sound system as part of the comfort and sound pack, as well as heated seats. You've got the full electric adjustment to the seats as well. You've got the illuminated RS5 sill plates, the gloss black trim inside, and then the quilted stitching panels to the seats with the red stitching. Looks fantastic. You can adjust the seats forward for ease of access with this. You can also obviously just pull that, and again at the back much of the same. You've also got climate control at the back here, which you can adjust, and again you've got ambient lighting as well. Central armrest there that pops down. This armrest slides as well. Quattro badge. All the paperwork's in there relating to the vehicle and the book pack, etc. Got this lovely stitching and leather on the center console as well. It's really nicely finished. Lovely frameless rear view mirror there and lighting panel. Okay, so let's go round to the driver's side. So opening up the door, much of the same as the passenger side. You have got Audi Sport logo projection lights underneath. It's really nice that it's all illuminated with the ambient lighting. The memory buttons there for the seats, the heated power folding wing mirror option, tailgate release there, lovely RS embroidery, embossing on the seats as well. We've got the extra tweeters in the top with the B&O system. We've got the head-up display. See there the speed limit display currently showing. Alright, let's close this door. Your lights there, that's your head-up display control as well to position it. But yeah, everything's lovely. You've got the full digital dash with the satellite navigation, and you can also display things like Google Maps, satellite images if you wish. It's got the advanced parking pack. This includes 360 parking cams. You can see their top view cameras. Obviously you can select various other modes as well. You've also got the park assistant, so it can park itself. You press that and the car will look for a space to park itself into. So that's all part of the parking pack advanced. You've got dual zone climate control, heated seats. You've got the drive select button. I'll just turn that off 1 second. You've got the drive select button, which excuse me, which obviously switches between excuse me, between the comfort, auto, dynamic, individual, and of course you can then configure the individual mode. So if we just go back a second, bear with me, individuals, we press this button down here to go to that sub menu, and then you've got the RS Sports exhaust, so you can actually change the sound from auto, comfort, etc. So an individual, got it in dynamic at the moment, and then your sport differential dynamics, steering, engine, gearbox, etc. So that's a really nice option to have. And then obviously you've got all the other servicing, etc. there. Going back again, car, sound, radio, media, telephone, navigation, Audi Connect. There's loads of different things that you can play about with if you so choose. And then obviously you've got shortcuts there for the radio station. This is all touch controls, as you can see as I'm just touching my hand over it, it's moving, as is this as well. So it's all really nice and intuitive to use. You've got this lovely black grain finish to the centre here. You've got the auto hold, parking handbrake, etc. We have of course got the 2 keys, as you can see here. You've got the cruise control, the heated steering wheel's a great option. All this screen here can be controlled with these buttons on the steering wheel. So there's loads to do there. And then that is pretty much it. Obviously you've got automatic wipers. I've gone through all the options on the ads to make sure it's all correct, so by all means have a look on there if you want to check if the car's got something, rather than asking me, because I've listed everything correctly on there. But that is pretty much it. I don't think there's much else to tell you other than it's a fantastic example, great spec. I really like this car, really nice to drive. Yeah, it's just a great performance coupe to own really in one's lifetime, I would say, in my opinion anyway. Right, well that's pretty much it folks. So that's our 2017 Audi RS5. We do of course offer nationwide delivery to your door. It's from £1.50 a mile. We also offer competitive finance packages. Simply go to our website kingsbridgeautos.co.uk and you will see there's a finance calculator underneath each car. Warranty of course is available from £399 on this car. It would be off the top of my head it'd be £599 for 6 months, and £1,200 for 12 months. So if you are interested in any of our services, please don't hesitate to give us a call, email or text, and we'll be more than happy to go through the options with you, and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.